The given graph is about annual cybersecurity threat incidents. As you can see that in 2018, the number of incidents was 1,200, followed by 1,019, which is around 600. And it's increased every year until 2022, it reached to almost 1,200. And in 2023, it drops to 800 incidents. This is very informative.
The given picture is talking about cybersecurity. According to the picture, we can see the largest number is 700. There is also a second largest number is 800. On the other hand, we tend to believe that the smallest number is 900. Moreover, we can notice that 1000 higher than 1100. In conclusion, this picture is talking about cybersecurity.
The provided image is a line graph that gives information about annual cybersecurity threat incidents. X-axis talk about years from 2018 to 2023, whereas Y-axis talk about numbers of incidents from 7,000 to 12,000. In 2018, it was at maximum peak with 12,000, and it has reduced in 2019 by 700. Then it has been frequently changing, and it was maximum in 2022 again with 12,000 and reduced by 800 in 2023. To sum up, the image gives information about annual cybersecurity threat incidents.
The image provided is a line chart that gives information about cybersecurity across many different categories, while the x-axis talks about different year, which is start 2018 to 2023. On the other side, the y-axis also said about number of including which is start 700 to 1200. Annual cybersecurity threat indicates it start from 2019 and reach its highest to 1200 in these years. On the other side, its reach is peakest point which 2023, approximately 800 numbers of including annual cybersecurity threat, and it increased over the 2022 and its overall.
The line graph gives us information about the annual cybersecurity threat incidents. It is evident that on the x-axis it is explaining about the number of incidents, which is 700, 800, 900, whereas on the left-hand side on the y-axis it is explaining about the year, which is starting from 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2023. The maximum number of 2023 is 800, whereas the minimum number of 2022 is 1200. Moreover, in 2019 it is 700 and 2020 it is 900. Overall, the image is very informative.
The given picture provides information about cybersecurity. From the picture, it is obvious that annual cybersecurity threat incident is the subtopics of the picture. From the picture, we can see that on the x-axis there is year 2018 to 2023, while on y-axis there is number of incidents from 700 to 1200. From the picture, we can see that on the year 2019, the incident is minimum, which is less than 700, while 2018 and 2023 is maximum, which is the accident is 1200, while on the 2020 it's 900, 2021 1100, and 2023 is 800. In conclusion, the picture is about cybersecurity.
The line chart gives information about annual cybersecurity threat incidents. According to this picture, the vertical axis is between 700 to 1200, and horizontal axis is between 2018 and 2023. We can also see the value in 2019 is around 700, and the value in 2020 is more than 900, which is higher. The highest value is related to 2022, which is around 1200.
The provided image is a line chart and that's give information about annual cybersecurity threats incidents. According to this line chart, while axis talk about the year from 2018 to 2023, while y-axis talk about number of events from 700 to 1200. According to this image, highest number of threats recorded in 2018, which is 1200, and least number of threats recorded in 2019, which is 0. And in 2022 it is a remarkable year because it's also recorded high number of threats, which is around 1000.
Image clearly gives information about annual cybersecurity threat incidents. From the image, we could clearly see in the value of 2021, we are seeing a value of 1100, but in the year 2023, we could clearly see a value of 850, which is lesser than the value of 2021. The highest number of incidents has occurred in 2018 and 2022 with the value of 1200, while the lowest number of incidents has occurred in 2019 with the value of below 700. Overall, this image clearly gives information about annual cybersecurity threat incidents.
The given line graph gives information about annual cybersecurity. The primary feature of the line chart gives is threats incidents. Firstly, it shows data about a number of incidents. Moreover, it compares between the 2018, 2019, and 2020 years. The highest element is a 1200 and the lowest element is 700. Overall, the line graph is very informative for us.
The title of given picture is Annual Cybersecurity Threat Incidents. In the x-axis, we can see the number of incidents. In the y-axis, there is a year 2018, 2019, 2020, and so on. On the left-hand side, we can see 700, 800, and 900. The maximum number was in 2018, which was 1200, and minimum was in 2019, which is 700. Overall, the picture is really informative and very good. Thank you.
The image provided is a line graph that talks about annual cybersecurity threat incidents in different years. It can be seen that in the year 2018, it reaches 1200 number of incidents, but in 2019, it decreased rapidly and was less than 700 number of incidents. But in the year 2021, it again increased and reached up to 1100 incidents. And in the year 2022, it was highest among all, which was above 1200 incidents. And in the year 2023 it decreased rapidly and reached up to 800. Overall, the image is very informative and talks about annual cybersecurity threat incidents in different years from 2018 to 23.
This is a line graph. The given line graph shows about cybersecurity. The data has been given in numbers. At the first glance, the maximum data is 1200 in 2018. On the other side, the minimum data is 600 in 2019. Moreover, it also gives information about number of incidents ranging from 700 to 1200 from year 2018 to 2023. Overall, it is informative line graph to get knowledge about annual cybersecurity threat incidents.
Annual cybersecurity threat incident was the main topic of the line graph. Number of incidents and 1000 was the left side of the image. 2090 and 2022 was the bottom side of the image. 2080 and 1100 was also highlighted. 2090 and 900 was also mentioned. 2080 and 1200 was the highest element. 2090 and 800 was the lowest element. 2022 and 2023 was also given. To conclude, this picture gives the information about cybersecurity.
This line chart gives information about annual cybersecurity threats incidents. There are many elements in this line chart. From this line chart, I can say that highest value is 2018, which is indicated by 1200 incidents. Now the second highest value is 2022, which is indicated by 1100 incidents. If we talk about the lowest value, that is 2020, which is indicated by 2019 incidents. In conclusion, this line chart was very informative and knowledgeable.